kainin na yung ano niya, reconciliation niya. Wala yan. He's been lying since he became president. Kita mo, tingnan nyo ha, gusto niya reconciliation. Hanggang 20 niya nga bugas, ang tudgaran po.
Na, panos na.
Wala din na ano, he's a liar, He lies so much. Puro kasinungalingan yung tao na yan. And
Bicycle.
sige, sabay ato.
Mayor, magandang hapon po, Mayor. Kasama natin ang mga supporters si Tatay Digong sa hapong ito. So, kumusta po si PRRD? Ano po ang mensahe niya sa pagbayan?
Sabi niya na ano, sinabihan ko man kasi na marami naghihintay sa kanya everyday dito. Masaya siya. Sabi niya, pag makalabas siya, we will personally thank you once he gets out. Thank you for your enduring trust and confidence in him. Yes. It was these specific words. So, he's happy. He's optimistic kasi nakikita niya kasi nga nakukwento namin since nung illegal arrest niya until now, marami sa inyo talaga, lalo na rin mga OFW na kung kahit nasa iba-ibang lugar all over Europe and some New Zealand, no?
Sweden.
All over the world, Mayor.
Marami sa atin na hindi from Netherlands,
Yeah.
but
Sweden.
from really far away.
England.
So, England,
And
New York,
Sweden.
Germany.
ako Davao. So aware siya na ganon yung sitwasyon. So I think he's happy. Though, you know, kasi nasa loob siya eh. You know, that takes away a lot of strength from you. But knowing that you are here, yun, I think may bibit-bitin siya sa tulog niya na alam niya may nagmamahal sa kanya at lagi nagsusuporta. So malaking bagay, kahit sa amin din, kami pamilya kami, yung tatay namin dyan, yung husband niya. Ikaw na kikilig, di ba?
Sir, kung makapasok lang sana kami, sir. Marami sanang kasama si tatay matulog sa loob. Kung pwede lang kami pumasok.
Ako na lang pumalit ako, sir.
But anyway, okay naman. Masaya kami. You know, as a family, masaya kami na nandyan kayo because hindi naman tayo magkadugo. Nobody ever told you to do this.
No.
I know that you're doing this because gusto nyo lang and you really believe in him.
Yes.
So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Wala akong masabi. Siguro kung walang ganitong klaseng suporta from the Filipinos, ayaw ko na rin. You know, ang hirap eh. Ang hirap na sitwasyon. We are against an entire administration.
Yeah.
So hindi, pag wala kayo, baka bukas nga, wala na ako, di ba? Hindi natin alam eh. But I know that my father and especially my sister also ngayon, na nandyan pa, is protected by the people.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why 20 paid senador.
Okay na ako.
Wala
Kailangan bantay sa
Dami na lang.
Dabaw na lang.
Wala nang papasok sa trabaho.
Pagkataas imong posisyon, magkadako imong problema.
Kadagal na po ng utang ang kasuan eh.
Dire ra ko sa kanang gabaw ra ko. So, ay kun mo ginapte.
Sir,
Samo ano ng gabi?
may pag-uusap po ba kung ano yung mga priority programs ng projects ni PRD as Mayor of Davao City?
Wala man kay nangumusta lang siya sa Davao. So, tinanong niya kung ano status. Sabi ko, okay naman. Yung turnout ng election shows that they still believe in him. So, siya yung tumatakbo na mayor. So, tambak talaga yung kalaban despite of in spite of na ang dami nilang pera na ginamit, yung tinayuan nila yung resources ng DSWD and they claim it as their own resources to as indirect vote buying, but still, you know, the Davaoenos believed in him. Ibig sabihin yan, and you cannot really topple down kung ano yung nagawa ng isang tao and trust na lagyan niya sa mga Davaoenos. So, luckily, ako, si Duterte din, anak niya, kasama ako doon, nadamay lang ako, kumbaga, so nakuha ko rin yung boto, mostly na nakuha niya. So, yun, I'm so thankful for what's happened in the elections in Davao.
Wala ba kayong napag-usapan, Mayor? Kailan ba yun?
Wala pa naman kasi wala, nangumusta lang ako. Sinuna ko yung health niya, how he's feeling. So,
Mayor,
boto ako nang tao, hindi ako nagtanong.
Mayor,
Next time, bukas, pangutanong ako.
Mayor, I have a question. What did you feel when you first saw your father?
Honestly, mix ang emotions ko kasi tatay mo yan eh. He's 80 years old. Sabi niya nga 84 siya. So it must have felt 4 years na siguro sa kanya doon na nasa loob siya. Right? Lang, di ba? So we try to insist na 80. Kasi sinasabi niya 84 daw siya. But it's only been what? A couple of months.
83 days.
Yeah. So yun. Well, I think at that age, siguro at he's been a very popular former president ever since he came down. Yung wala namang nakakuha ng ganung trust rating even sa buong mundo. So
Wala. Tatay Digong lang.
yung hindi ko, I really think he doesn't deserve this. Hindi naman talaga perfecto lahat ng administrasyon, lahat ng mga dumaan na presidente, pero why would you do this to a person that clearly na pinakita niya sa mga tao on how you love your country? So, you know, during his term, like I said, di naman siya perfecto, but he always emphasizes the love for country. And yet you do this to him. Diba? So yun ang naramdaman ko na it's really so unfair that they did this to him.
A lot of people, sir, wanted to know if the former president is active, naglalakad ba siya, or may activities ba siyang ginagawa, because a lot also are afraid that with his age, it's quite difficult.
Tama naman yung iniisip natin na ganun kasi nga matanda na siya. But siguro, I think on some days he's okay, on some days maybe not. Ganun naman ang tao, wala naman talaga consistent dito sa pagdating sa kasiyahan at sa kalungkutan, di ba? So, he's like anybody else. He's just an ordinary person at the end of the day. So, you know, whatever, kung ano man yung mafe-feel ng mga tao na nakakulong, then he goes through with it. But he's a strong guy. He's a, yeah. So, there's a lot of reason for us to be optimistic about that. Yeah, on this inside. So, you know, like, yeah, kasi kami, mga pamilya, nakikita ninyo naman na pumapasok kami. So, pag nakikita namin kayo, you know, that love that you have for him, yung energy nyo dito na hindi nawawala, it goes inside. It goes inside. Kasi kinagkwento namin sa kanya lahat.
Thank you, Mayor. Mayor, additional lang po. Sir, may knowledge na po ba si PRD patungkol kay Cory as the new PNP chief? Ano po yung reaction niya dito?
Wala man. Sinabihan namin, pero kala ko nga ano siya, pero wala man talaga yung gago na yan. Wala rin talaga yan.
Maganda yung reaction ni VP.
Kasi I would admire this person kung talagang he did everything with due process. Diba? But you know, like technically, if we talk about the case or you know, like we review what happened, what transpired during yung ginawa sa kanya with KOJC and lahat, it's nothing. Wala. He's only handpicked there by the administration because he's an attack dog. That's it. Nothing more than that. 3 ranks yung ano,
Skip.
yung inakyatan niya.
Yeah, in a very
Tatlo,
short time.
yeah. Oh, tinalunan niya 3 ranks.
Yeah.
And na ngayon sinasabi ni Marvel na it was based on merit. Come on, di ba? Okay, if it was based on merit, ganito sana yon. Sana legal lahat na nangyari. But since yung tao na yan nag-operate, I don't know, he's not a criminal yet kasi hindi pa man sa sa korte, but he behaved like a criminal. So, bigay na yan sa kanya, PNP na, tangin na siya.
Okay lang po, Mayor.
No one is impressed.
Yes, thank you, Mayor. Mayor, okay lang ba may additional
Ay, sorry mga kayo, namalikas ko. Pero kumama.
Sabi ni Pangulong Marcos, gusto raw niya ng pagkakasundo sa inyong pamilya kahit wala namang pahayag mula sa inyong panig. Pero iginiit niyang dapat walang kondisyon ang reconciliation. Kahit nanawagan ang taong bayan na dapat tumingin yung PRRD, ano po ang reaction niyo dito?
So, sa pagkakaintindi ko, gusto niya na may reconciliation pero walang condition, meaning walang terms, di ba? Kainin na yung niya, reconciliation niya. Wala yan. He's been lying since he became president. Kita mo, tingnan nyo ha, gusto niya reconciliation. Hanggang 20 niya nga bugas, ang tutkaroon.
Wa na, panos na.
Mayor,
Wala din na he's a liar. He lies so much. Puro kasinungalingan yung tao na yan. And ang style kasi ng administrasyon na yan, press release, sa reconciliation. Ganito yon. Listen to me. Itong nangyari, 'di ba, pagkatapos ng eleksyon. So naratol sila, sa Binisaya pa. Parang shaken sila with the results kasi nung pagsabi niya 12-0 papasok sila. Then ang nangyari, wala, watak-watak. And we do not even know kung saan kinuha ni Bam at saka ni Kiko Pangilinan yung boto nila.
Yes.
Huwag na natin pag-usapan yan because pero, di ba, yung resulta ng election, you have the administration, madumi na nga kayo maglaro, tapos ganun pa yung result na nakuha nyo. So, may mass resignation ngayon nangyari. Now, I have this theory. Itong mass resignation, sino man yung na umalis talaga dito? Isa Soljan Guevara, di ba?
Yeah.
I think that was only a smokescreen to tanggalin si Soljan Guevara kasi they do not want to admit na hindi nila masagot yung mga tanong sa kanila. And I do not know kung ano ang gagawin nito ang bagong Solicitor General of the administration. So, yan, puro PR, puro positioning, puro angling sa media, and puro propaganda. That's all that you will get from this administration. It's been 3 years and it's been like that. So do not expect that things will get better dahil sa sinabi niya may reconciliation and he's trying to man up and no. Like what PRD said, and it really shows ngayon midterm na ito that he is weak. And nakita natin yan ngayon sa midterm elections na talagang mahina sa mayabang pa magsabi ng 12-0 talo mga kandidato niya.